What is going on, guys? So today is Veterans Day, but it's also Sunday, which means you've got to knock out some push-ups. So as usual, we're gonna do the 60-second push-up challenge today, and then also I'm gonna talk about something that I get a lot, which is I can't do any push-ups. How can I kind of improve? Like maybe you can't even do one good push-up, so I'm gonna kind of speak to those of you out there that are really struggling at the bottom level of push-ups. Like you can't really do that much. How can you actually improve? And I'm gonna give you guys just a couple little tips to help you out. Now, the first thing that I always recommend, like if you can't do more than like 10 push-ups, like in actual good form, not like halfway down, not weird form or whatever, but like 10 good form push-ups, then I highly recommend that you do push-ups on your knees. There's nothing to be ashamed about. Doing push-ups on your knees is perfectly fine. You even do it at basic training. They'll force you, or not force you, but they'll make you do push-ups until failure, and then when you reach failure, you drop to your knees and you do push-ups until you basically reach failure on your knees. So there's nothing bad about doing push-ups on your knees. Do them until you can actually build up to where you can actually do more than 10 push-ups like normally. The next thing that you can work on if you're really struggling with push-ups is doing negatives. And what I mean by negatives is starting up in the up position and then just slowly lowering yourself down. So if you can't push yourself up, doing a negative is the reverse of that. So you're slowly lowering yourself down. Do that over and over and over. Maybe you can also do like pause reps, right? So you can kind of go, if you can maybe do a couple, you can do this on your knees, you can do this normally, but doing like a half push up and then holding it for a little bit and holding that form and then trying to push up again, or negatives reverse. So you gotta change things up and do what you can. So what you can do is you can do negatives slowly on the way down, do like a 3 count, 1, 2, 3, going down, or you can do like a halfway down, hold it for a little bit, go down a little bit more, and that's kind of how you're going to build up those muscle fibers so that you can actually be able to do the push-up. And then the last and final tip that I have for you guys real quickly is if you can't do a push-up, if you're doing push-ups on your knees or something and you're just really struggling, maybe you just don't have purely the muscle in general to actually perform the movement. So what you can do is do those accessory exercises that will help you with your push-up. So the 3 main muscle groups or whatever that you're using when you're doing a push-up is your chest, your triceps, and your shoulders. So you can do other exercises possibly in the gym that's going to help you out. So you can actually, if you can't even like bench press a lot, if you have the ability to go to a gym, and I'm assuming if you can't do like a push-up, you're not really gonna be benching that much. So like, just putting, just the bar, when you go into the gym, just doing the bar, which is like 45 pounds, doing that is gonna help you out a lot. Doing some of the machines that are gonna help you out. So there's like a dip machine, doing the dip machine to help you out with your triceps. Doing other exercises in the gym with weights to work your shoulders, your triceps, and your chest, build up those muscles, and then you will be able to perform more push-ups because of that. So that's gonna be it for my little 3 tips on how to improve your push-ups. If you're just really bad at them, you can't do that much. Those are my 3 tips. Now we're gonna go ahead and jump into the 60-second push-up challenge. If you don't know what the 60-second push-up challenge is, it's super simple. We're gonna do 60 seconds of push-ups, and notice I said I'm gonna be the one recording myself doing it, but I'm gonna do 60 seconds of push-ups on camera, and then you guys are gonna leave a comment down below how many push-ups you did. And yes, I mean right now, you're gonna get up right now, pause the video, do 60 seconds of push-ups, and let me know how many you did. It's a great way to track your progress. Okay, so now that I'm done with my push-ups, make sure you guys let me know in the comments how many you did. That's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys have an amazing freaking Veterans Day for all of you out there that are prior service, that are in the service, and even for you future soldiers. Just want to go ahead and thank you all in advance. So make sure you hit that like button. That'll be awesome. Follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. I hope you guys have an amazing freaking Veterans Day, and I'll see you later.